Alright guys, Conviction 454 here, and in this video I actually wanted to talk about a very common Outlook issue that you may get if you're working as an IT technician, help desk, service desk technician. And that issue is going to be, well, it's really going to be several issues regarding the Outlook. A user may get an error message that says, oh, my OST file is corrupt, or oh, my Outlook is running slowly, or oh, it's just a bunch of different issues that can be correlated with Outlook. So a very simple solution to that would be to rebuild their Outlook profile, and to do that it's actually quite simple. So I just wanted to show you guys how today. It's probably gonna be like a 3 to 4 minute video. So alright, so first thing you want to do, this is Windows 11. It'll be the same on Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7, I believe. You just want to go to your control panel. I already have it open, and then you want to go to Mail. You go to Mail, then you go to Microsoft Outlook, since that's the email client. Now the first thing you want to do is go to Email Accounts, and then you want to go to your data file. Your data file is where your OST file is going to show. For those of you who don't really know what an OST file is, it is a online file that is syncing your Outlook or Exchange server information into a file, and it's essentially stored here in your email client. There's also something that's called a PST file, which you won't see here, but a PST file is, oh actually, well, yeah, here's the PST file, but a PST file is it's completely local, and it'll be stored directly on your hard drive. So one thing that you want to do is, I already went ahead and did it, but you want to actually set this, you want to actually go, okay, so this is my OST file. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a backup of this file, and what you want to do is just remove it. But first what you have to do is actually click here, and you have to remove the email account from the computer. Okay, it's removed, and so the data file associated with that computer is now gone. I'm sorry, not the computer, but the email account is gone. And so now that the email account is pretty much gone from your account, your data file isn't there, but you still have a backup of that data file here. So now all you have to really do is close Outlook, open it again, and then it'll walk you through the process of rebuilding your Outlook profile. So I'll go on ahead and do that here. So now what it's doing, it's retrieving emails from the Exchange online server, and it's going to restore this person's Outlook profile completely. Outlook is setting up a local copy of your mailbox. It may take several minutes. And there you go. It's syncing all of my emails from the Exchange server. The profile is rebuilt, and this should really fix a lot of different Outlook issues. But if it says that their OST file is corrupt, then this should most certainly fix the issue. I have not seen an instance where it did not work for a corrupt OST file. So definitely make use of this methodology here. So just to review, we can close this out. You want to go to Start, you want to go to Control Panel. If it doesn't show up here, then you can type it up here. You will open Control Panel, type Mail here in the search bar. Go to Mail. Oh yeah, since I already have it open, you can go to Email Accounts, Data Files. Make sure that you have a backup of this just in case the install doesn't work. And then what I would go on ahead and do is create a new one. So click Add. Then it'll say My Outlook data file as a default name. Go to emails and then remove this. Remove the email that you're trying to rebuild. Once it removes, you just close Outlook out. Since I already have it closed, you can open it again. It'll ask you to sign in and everything should pop up just how it did before you deleted it. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. As usual, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.